Hey everyone, this is Billy Foulkes. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 242 Blackfin. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right guys, inside this 242 Blackfin, you have that pull-out bench seat right there. So you have a live well over there in the corner. Nice sea deck down there where your rods go. You have in-floor fish boxes. That bilge is super clean. Again, bringing up how clean this boat is. Nice leaning post with flip-up bolsters. Your trim binnacles twin binnacles right there. You have VHF radio, Ray Marine display. All your switches right there. Fusion stereo. The stereo sounds phenomenal. We do have that last cushion that wasn't pictured in some of the pictures before. Also have a boat cover, full boat cover. It's down there in the head compartment right now. I haven't tried that one on yet, but I'm sure it's great. You guys, again, this is Billy with MarineMax Houston, bringing you this 2020 Blackfin 242. Call me with any questions or concerns. The seller is motivated, so definitely bring us some offers. Thank you. Bye.